Today I'll be unboxing the new Haunted Mansion mystery pins. These were released in July of 2023 and are available in the parks and sometimes on Shop Disney for $17.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. So the pin designs feature characters from the Haunted Mansion attraction, including the 5 singing busts. So the 8 pins that we can get are the Bride, the Caretaker, and then we have Phineas P. Pock, Cousin Algernon, Rollo Rumpkin, Ned Nub, Hitchhiking Ghosts, and Uncle Theodore. So let's open them up, see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I'm hoping to get this entire collection, but the ones I want the most are the Bride, the Caretaker, and the Hitchhiking Ghosts. I would love to get the busts too, but I want all 5. I don't want to display just 2 or 3. I want all 5 on display so it looks like the ride. So let's see what we get here. 8 pin collection, and we have 10 tries. Usually that's not quite enough. So let's see what we start with. We start with, turn it over, the Hitchhiking Ghosts. So we have all 3 of them there, and very different colors in these pins, which is kind of nice because usually Haunted Mansion pins are all the same kind of color scheme. So this is kind of cool that they're a little different. And on the back it is a black tone finish, and it does have the little new Mickey authenticator there. So hey, we're starting with the Hitchhiking Ghost. That's a good one. And the next one is one of the singing busts. I really don't know. I don't remember. I remember the names in the order that they're on here. So it looks like that's the second one. So that would be the Cousin Algernon, I guess. I had to remember those names for when I was reading the pin designs on the box. So I don't know what they look like outside the box. Here we go with box 2. We have another another singing bust, which he looks like the 3rd one. So I think that's Rollo Rumpkin. Rollo Rumpkin. Names, they're hard to remember. And the next one is, that's the same one, isn't it? Yeah, so we got another one of that guy, the Cousin Algernon. Alright, so we got our first double. We only have room for one more. Okay, so box 3, we have another Hitchhiking Ghost. Okay, don't do this to me. Don't be another cousin there. No duplicate boxes. No, it is. It's another Cousin Algernon. So we did get a duplicate box. All right, it's okay if that's the only one. Just don't want 2 more of that same box. Okay, box 4. Something different, please. It is not. It is another Hitchhiking Ghost. So this is most likely going to be another Cousin Algernon. And it is! Woo! Shop Disney. What's going on? Might have to stop buying from there. I don't know if it's any better or worse in the parks. Alright. Last box, so we cannot complete this collection at all. Please don't be the Hitchhiking Ghost. Oh, it's that guy again. So we've got another one of him, I think, right? I can't really see where I'm standing. 5 of him, and this is most likely going to be a Hitchhiking Ghost. It is not, but it's this guy. So we didn't get a duplicate box there, but we only ended up with 3 out of the 8. Wow, this is like a theme recently. I don't know if you watch my videos in order, but that's not good. So those were the new Haunted Mansion mystery pins. Which one was your favorite out of the 3 that I unboxed? for me, my favorite here is the Hitchhiking Ghost. I like the Hitchhiking Ghost, so that's clearly my favorite out of these three. These pins are super nice. They all have a frame around the edge, and the frame is the same on all the pins that I got. It has a little skull at the bottom and a little decorative detail around the sides. Then you have the character in the middle, and behind the character, it's like a black mirror or a smoky mirror. Very reflective, and it does get your fingerprints very easily, so watch out for that. So this was a horrible unboxing for me. I only got 3 out of the 8. A lot of duplicate boxes there. So I'm missing 5. So the 5 I'm missing are The Bride, The Caretaker, Phineas P. Puck, Ned Nub, and Uncle Theodore. So those are the 5 I wasn't able to show you. So hopefully my luck turns around at some point here. That's how they go sometimes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.